All right, going to continue here, folks, with number 28, I believe, in the last thing that happened last video. We got to this factored form. What do we got up top? Cancel out the x minus 5s. Then 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 cancels. X minus 3 cancels, leaving you with x plus 2 over x minus 2. The 2's do not cancel. You have the x there. All right, the x's do not cancel. It's not x over x. It's x plus 2 over x minus 2. All right, nothing cancels there. 29. That is the original 29. I can start to factor everything. Well, multiplies 4, adds to negative 5, x minus 4, x minus 1. That's going to be x minus 1, x plus 1. Up top, it's going to be x plus 4, x plus 1. X minus 3, x plus 3 down below. Then, it's time to cancel. X minus 1 over x minus 1. X plus 1 over x plus 1. Then that's it. You have x minus 4 times x plus 4 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. You can FOIL those pretty easily. X squared minus 16 over x squared minus 9. Either of these answers is fine, though, on 29. 30 is lovely. On 30, only the first fraction can factor in any sort of way. Factor out the x they have in common, factor out the x they have in common. And when you do so, you'll be left with this. What cancels? X over x. X minus 5 over x minus 5. Holy cow, everything cancels. You'd be left with a 1 up top, 1 down below. It's not going to be 0. 1 over 1 is 1. If everything cancels, you're left with 1. It's like saying 5 divided by 5. The 5's cancel, but 5 divided by 5 is 1, not 0. On 31 here, folks, this is the initial problem. All right, first numerator, x minus 2x plus 2. First denominator, x plus 3x plus 3. Second numerator, x plus 3x minus 3. Second denominator, x plus 2x plus 2. There's everything. Time to cancel. All right, so those x plus 3's can cancel. This x plus 2, that x plus 2, and that's it. You're left with x minus 2, x minus 3 over x plus 3, x plus 2. Doesn't matter the order there. You could FOIL it if you want, but it's nothing special. It's not. You don't have a difference of 2 perfect squares here. All right, you have no conjugates there. Anyway, let's do 32. I think we have about 6 more here. On 32, again, like a previous one here, the only thing that will factor is that first fraction. Factor out the x they have in common in the first numerator, and then in the denominator you have x plus 6x minus 6. There's everything factored. And when you factor everything, we can start to cancel. X minus 6 is cancel. X plus 6 is cancel. I didn't cancel any x's out. I just left it like that. But you have x to the first over x squared. The bottom has 1 more x. It's not 0 over x. You're left with 1 over x. All right. Got division for the next 2 that we're going to do here. Again, I'm going to multiply by the